This is Unit 3E. It deals with car energy. So starting at the bottom here, we have energy coming from the sun. We have photosynthesis with a lot of time, and by that we mean millions of years, or we have photosynthesis and a bit of time, by which we mean a year or 5 or so. So here we have fossil fuels, coal, oil and gas, which can be burnt directly in a tank, which leads to carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It can be burnt in a power station, which creates electricity, which ends up in our electrically driven car here. But of course we still have our emissions, not from the car, but from the power station. Either way, they end up in the atmosphere, and there's no way for that carbon to get back under the ground. In contrast, when we have biofuels, such as sugarcane here, we have a way that the carbon can cycle. So it goes into the car, it's burnt, and it ends up in the atmosphere, but then the plants can reabsorb it from the atmosphere. And it doesn't matter whether that's the burning happens in the car or in a power station, the carbon can still be reabsorbed. Either way, we get green energy in the car. So in this way we can see that a conventional car fueled by biofuels could actually be better for the environment than an electric car that's being powered by a fossil fuel. Now over here we can see other ways of reducing carbon emissions, namely by reducing the amount of energy we need in the first place. We can do that with deflectors. So we can see it on this lorry here, that the angle means that the air flows over the top more easily rather than crashing into this bit. And equally, we need to be careful about finding a balance between speed. Too low a speed means high fuel consumption, as does excessive speed. Now this is kilometers per litre, and we want to go as many kilometers as possible for our litre of fuel. So a higher number actually means a lower fuel consumption. So there we have it, car energy, fossil fuels versus biofuels. The situation is actually quite complicated, and we need to be really careful about where is the burning happening and can the carbon be reabsorbed.